Today we explain numerical of electrochemical cell. Question 1 is construct electric cells for the following reactions. Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. It is a reaction which takes place in the cell. We construct electric cell for the reaction. So here we write a formula. First we write a node. It is represented by negative. This line indicates here we write solution of a node. This double line indicates the symbol of salt bridge. This single line indicates anode dipped in the solution of anode. Here we write solution of cathode, and here we write cathode. It is in positive sign. It is a formula which help construct electric cell. First of all, we select in the reaction anode and cathode. If metals are present in both sides, the left side metal is called anode and right is called cathode. We see Zn present in left in arrow, therefore it is anode. Here we write Zn, we write negative sign. We draw a single vertical line which indicate anode dipped in solution of anode. ZnSO4 related to Zn electrode. It is a solution of anode, therefore here we write ZnSO4. Here we draw two vertical lines. This indicates salt bridge. Here we write solution of cathode. In the reaction, H2 is cathode and H2SO4 is solution of cathode. Solutions are right in the opposite of the related electrode. Here we write H2SO4 which indicate solution of anode and a solution of cathode. Here we write single vertical line and here we write H2. H2 is a cathode, therefore we write positive sign. If Electrode are solid state. Here does not write PT. If gas or solutions are present in the form of electrode, we write a PT. PT is a inert metal which indicate H2 is gas. PT dipped into H2 gas and wire connected to PT metal. It is the answer of this reaction which indicate the construct of electric cell in which this reaction takes place. Now we write second question. Fe plus SnCl2 gives FeCl2 plus Sn. It is reaction which takes place in a cell. Construct a cell in which this reaction takes place. First of all, we select anode and cathode. We say if both sides dhatu metals are present, these are electrode. Here Fe is metal and it present in solid state, therefore it is a cathode. Therefore it is a anode. Here we write Fe negative side. So we write a vertical line. The solution of Fe electrode is FeCl2. Here we write the solution of FeCl2, which indicate FeCl2 is solution of anode is Fe. Here we write two vertical line which indicate salt bridge. It is a cathode and it is a solution of cathode. Here we write solution of cathode, therefore it is a solution of cathode. Therefore we write here SnCl2. We write single vertical line and it is a cathode. We write positive charge. Fe and Sn are present in form of electrode. These are solid state, therefore here do not write PT electrode. Next question, third is Zn plus 2AgNO3 gives Zn NO3 whole twice plus 2Ag. It is a reaction which takes place in the cell. We construct a cell in which the reaction takes place. First of all, we select anode and cathode. We see in the reaction Zn and Ag are metal. Zn present in the left therefore it is a anode. Here we write Zn and negative sign. It is a symbol of anode. Here we write solution of anode. In the question, Zn is anode and its solution is ZnNO3 whole twice. Here we write ZnNO3 whole twice. Now we write double vertical which indicate salt bridge. Here we write solution of cathode. In the reaction, Ag is cathode and AgNO3 is solution of Ag. Here we write AgNO3 which indicate solution of cathode. Here 2 present but in the cell 2 does not write. यहाँ 2 नहीं लिखा जाएगा, बैलेंस किया हुआ पार्ट. Here we write Ag negative, positive. This indicates cathode. Here 2 but here does not write 2. It is a very simple. इसे समझ लीजिए, जो बैलेंस किया हुआ जो है यहाँ पर जो है अंक होता है और ये सेल के अंदर नहीं लिखा जाता है. ठीक. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर दूसरा आ रहा है. Question 4 is Cl2 plus 2 KCl gives 2 KCl plus I2. It is a complicated. We write reaction Cl2 2 KCl gives 2 KCl to I. Here we write I plus I2. It is a question. We convert into ion of solution, or here we write Cl2 plus 2I negative 2Cl negative plus I2. K removed. So we select anode and cathode. It is a complicated. Here we write in form of rough 2Cl minus. The number of chlorine in left 2 and right 2. Here no charge present. Here 2 negative charge present. If negative charge balance, the opposite side we write electron. अब देखिए इधर कोई चार्ज नहीं है, इधर 2 निगेटिव चार्ज है, तो निगेटिव चार्ज को बैलेंस करने के लिए उसके अपोजिट साइड में इलेक्ट्रॉन लिखा जाता है, और पॉजिटिव साइन को बैलेंस करने के लिए उसी साइड में इलेक्ट्रॉन को लिख रहे थे हम लोग. ठीक. तो देखिए यहाँ पर 2 पॉजिटिव निगेटिव चार्ज है, तो यह इधर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक. अब देखना है कि इसमें जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर है तो यह रिडक्शन है, इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लोरीन एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है, तो दिस रिएक्शन इज रिडक्शन. हम बताए हैं कि रिडक्शन जो है किस पर टेक्स प्लेस होता है, आपको कैथोड पर होता है, तो इट इज ए कैथोड. इट इज ए कैथोड. इट इज ए सॉल्यूशन ऑफ कैथोड. इट इज anode and it is a solution of anode. Here we write is cathode. We explain 2I minus gives I2. 2 are balanced. 2 iodine and 2 iodine are balanced. Here 2 negative charge. We write 2 electron in opposite side. In this reaction, electron present in right. Therefore, it is a oxidation takes place on the anode. It is a anode and it is a cathode. First of all, according to formula, here we write anode. It is a electrode of anode. So here we write I2. It is a solution of cathode anode. So here we write I2. It is a Ki. Here we write Ki. 2 do not write. We write salt bridge. Here we write solution of cathode. In the reaction, Cl minus is solution of cathode. Cl minus present here. It obtained from KCl. Therefore, here we write KCl. 2 do not write. Here we write Cl2. Here we write Cl2. It is a anode, we sign negative. It is a cathode, we sign positive. We write question second, which asked in the R school examination board. Question is construct electric cell for the following reaction. Question first is Fe plus Cu2 plus gives Cu. Fe2 plus. It is a very simple question. It is anode and it is a cathode, which are present in solid state and metal. Therefore, write here Fe, which indicate anode. Therefore, here write negative sign. We draw a vertical line. The solution of Fe electrode is ferrocyanide. Here we write 2 plus. Here we draw 2 vertical line which indicate salt bridge. Here we write solution of cathode in the question. It is a cathode and it is a solution of cathode. Therefore, here we write 2 plus and Cu. Next question is 2Fe3 plus 2Cl minus give 2Fe2 plus Cl2. First of all, we write 2Fe3 plus gives 2Fe2 plus. Here number of Fe atom 2, and here number of Fe atom 2. Here number of positive charge 3 and multiply by 2 is equal to 6. Number of positive charge 2 and 2 multiply and give 4. Here number of positive charge 6. Here number of positive charge 2. 2 positive charge greater than right positive charge. Here we decrease 2 positive charge, therefore we write here 2e. We ask if positive charge balance, we write इलेक्ट्रॉन, अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज जिस साइड में अधिक हो उसी साइड में इलेक्ट्रॉन बढ़ जाए। देखिए अब इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट इन लेफ्ट ऑफ एरो, देयरफॉर दिस इंडिकेट दिस रिएक्शन इज रिडक्शन ड्यू टू एक्सेप्ट इन द इलेक्ट्रॉन। इट इज ए reduction takes place cathode. Here we write 2Cl minus and Cl2. 2Cl and Cl2 are equal. 2 negative charge present in left, therefore we write 2 electron right. In the reaction, electrons are present in right of arrow, therefore this reaction is oxidation. Oxidation takes place on the anode. देखिए फिर से समझा रहे हैं, इधर 2 Fe है, इधर भी 2 Fe है, बराबर है संख्या में। इधर 3 दूनी के 6 पॉजिटिव चार्ज हैं, इधर 4 पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, तो 2 पॉजिटिव चार्ज अधिक हैं। इधर 2 पॉजिटिव चार्ज कम करने के लिए ही 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लिख दिया गया था। 2 माइनस यहाँ है, 2 प्लस को कम कर देगा। इधर भी 4 पॉजिटिव चार्ज होएगा, इधर भी 4 पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो जाएगा। ठीक, अब देखिए इधर हमने बताया यहाँ पर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लोरीन है, इधर भी 2 है, इधर 2 निगेटिव चार्ज है। तो निगेटिव चार्ज को अगर बैलेंस करना रहता है तो उसको विपरीत में अपोजिट जिसको कहते हैं वो अंग्रेजी में इलेक्ट्रॉन लिखेंगे, क्योंकि अगर इधर इलेक्ट्रॉन ले देते हैं 2 और 2 4 हो जाए, इंक्रीज कर जाएगा। इसीलिए निगेटिव साइन को अगर बैलेंस करना हो तो उसके अपोजिट जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन भरा जाता है। तो देखिए ये एनोड हो गया, अब ये कैथोड। अब एनोड का इलेक्ट्रोड देखिए ये है, तो हम कैसे लिखने जा रहे हैं आंसर में। देखिए यही क्वेश्चन दोनों आए हैं, 1 नंबर के। Cl2 नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेट एनोड, द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एनोड इज 2Cl, बट हेयर write only Cl. Do not write. We write salt bridge. Here we write solution of cathode in the question. It is a solution of cathode. Here we write Fe3 plus. Balance part do not write here. It is a electrode in the form of cathode, therefore we write Fe2 plus. These are present, it is present in gaseous state and it is present in solution state, therefore here we write Pt wire and here we write Pt wire.